Not as baggy, but like there's kind of short.
Howdy.
Wait, Vans are good soccer shoes.
You ready?
I can't wait to turn 18 and just go to the convenience store and buy so much dip. Okay, my phone's in my man satchel.
You ready?
We're gonna get spooked. Jaden! Oh.
Bro, do you lift?
Out here in Starbucks. Starbucks.
Dude, was it good?
It's this way.
Just hit that zoom.
I don't know.
There you are.
He looks high as hell.
I need someone to come and turn my foot around.
Someone's been smoking.
Dude, honestly, I'm just so like furiously pissed off that like all the elephants are out here and the scare actors are just like scaring them and stuff, and it's just pissing me off because like that's like cruel to do to an animal.
What's up, big boy? Oh, job. Catch. I'm excited. You like this ride?
Yeah.
You ran it a lot tonight?
Sand Serpent. Watch your step as you enter the club.
How fun is this job?
Well, I'm getting paid to ride roller coasters and stuff, though. I guess it's pretty cool. Faster! Here we go!
Watch your step as you exit.
Yo, that's awesome. That's a funny picture.
Yeah.
I'm like so totally stoked. Wow.
I'm just glad they came out this end, you know? If it comes out the other end, you know what I have to do? I have to flush.
Oh.
Bro, I'm so excited for this moment that's about to occur.
Bro, nurses. Nurses.
And left foot stomp. Cha-cha with your right. Cha-cha with your left.
I forgot to do this.
Hey.
Dude, you're a show off.
I just grabbed Jaden's backpack because I had no clue where to go.
That's a lot of ketchup.
Are you serious?
Thank you.